Burnout is more common than ever in our fast-paced world. The constant pressure to do more and be more can leave you feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. But what if I told you that avoiding burnout is about more than just taking a vacation? Welcome to the Wealth Insight Collective channel, where we explore the habits and insights that help you live your best life. Today, we're talking about how to avoid burnout and the 7 types of rest you need to thrive. If you've been feeling tired even after sleeping, or can't seem to shake off that sense of fatigue, you're not alone. The secret to avoiding burnout lies in understanding that rest goes beyond just physical sleep. Let's dive into the 7 types of rest you need to recharge and revitalize your life. Before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe. This really helps us bring you new videos. First, let's start with physical rest. This is the most obvious form, but it's often misunderstood. Physical rest can be both passive and active. Passive physical rest is what you get from sleep or napping. Active physical rest includes activities like stretching, yoga, or massages, anything that helps your body relax and recover. If you're feeling physically drained, take time to incorporate both forms of physical rest into your routine. Second is mental rest. Have you ever laid down to sleep but couldn't turn off your racing thoughts? That's a sign you need more mental rest. To get mental rest, take short breaks throughout your workday to clear your mind. Schedule moments of quiet reflection or practice mindfulness to calm your racing thoughts. A great tip is to keep a notepad by your bed to jot down any thoughts that keep you up at night. This simple act can help clear your mind for restful sleep. Sensory overload is real. The constant notifications, bright screens, and city noise can wear you down without you even realizing it. This is why sensory rest is essential and number 3 on our list. To get sensory rest, unplug from electronics for a bit. Spend time in a quiet, dim space or take a walk in nature without your phone. You'll be surprised at how refreshed you feel after just 30 minutes of sensory rest. Number 4 is creative rest. If your job or hobbies require problem solving or coming up with new ideas, you might need creative rest. This type of rest helps you rejuvenate your sense of wonder and inspiration. You can find creative rest by exposing yourself to nature, art, or activities that inspire you without needing you to create anything. It's about taking in beauty without the pressure of producing something. Even looking at photos of breathtaking scenery can give your brain the break it needs to feel rejuvenated. Number 5 is emotional rest. Emotional rest is about being authentic and honest with yourself and others. If you're constantly trying to please people or suppressing your feelings, you need emotional rest. To get emotional rest, surround yourself with people you can be real with. Take time to express your feelings, whether that's through journaling or talking with a trusted friend or counselor. Emotional rest means giving yourself permission to be vulnerable without fear of judgment. Number 6 is social rest. Social rest is about balancing the energy you give and receive in relationships. If you're constantly around people who drain you, you'll feel exhausted. To get social rest, spend time with people who uplift and energize you. It's okay to take breaks from social interactions that feel draining. Sometimes, social rest means spending time alone or with a few close friends who give you positive energy. Finally, number 7 is spiritual rest. Spiritual rest is about connecting with something greater than yourself. Spiritual rest can come from prayer, meditation, or being part of a community that shares your values and beliefs. It's about finding peace in knowing you're part of something bigger. This type of rest helps you recharge not just your body, but your soul. So there you have it, the 7 types of rest you need to avoid burnout and truly thrive. Thanks for watching the Wealth Insight Collective. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a reminder to rest. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay balanced.